at Mesa College, we have created research guides to assist our students and community with the research process in various subject areas. Our guides can be found by going to the library homepage and scrolling down until you see the Library Research Guides link. Once clicked, you will be taken to a page that houses all of our guides. At the top of the page is our current featured guide. Then you will see some subject guides of interest, and after that, all of our curricular area research guides. If we do not have one in your area of study, or you would like yours updated, please contact our online services librarian, Alison Gurganus, at agurganus@sdccd.edu. Our guides tend to have a similar look and feel. Here is our Academic Integrity and Plagiarism Guide. It has its own custom URL, which can be used as a link to this content at any time. However, we now have the ability for you to embed a research guide into your Canvas shell, so that students do not need to leave Canvas in order to use the guide. This tutorial has been created to give you the steps you need to follow in order to add a guide to virtually any area of your class in Canvas that has a rich text editor, such as announcements, assignments, discussions, pages, syllabus, outcomes, quizzes, etc. Simply go to any of those areas and add an item. Here I'm going to Discussions, and I'm clicking on the box that will open up my rich text editor. From here, I will need to click on the icon of a plug. This is where you get apps that have been added to our Canvas system from other products. If you have never added a research guide before, you will need to click on View All from the drop-down menu. Then scroll down until you see LibApps Library Content and click there. Now you will see a drop-down menu where you can select LibGuides. This is our vendor's name for research guides. Once you've selected LibGuides, use the next drop-down menu to select Full LibGuide. This will add the entire research guide with all of its pages to your Canvas shell. Your next drop-down menu will allow you to select a specific guide from all of the guides we have created for San Diego Mesa College. Your last menu item will ask which page of that guide you would like the students to see first. Usually that will be the home page of the guide. However, depending on what you would like to highlight, you may want to add a different page to be seen first. Once you have completed that step, simply click on Embed Content. Then add a title to the content area and click on any options below that may be relevant for this area. For example, in this discussion area, I'm going to allow threaded replies. Once I click Save, it will be added to my chosen section in Canvas. And that's how you add a research guide to any of your Canvas classes. Please feel free to contact your online services librarian if you have any additional questions.